Hello, I'm Craig Meyerhofer, Vice President of Business Development at Alpen High Performance Products.
Now I'm Tyler Board, National Channel Sales Manager at Alpen.
In this video, we'll take a closer look at our award-winning Zenith Series sliding glass door.
Here we are standing in front of an Alpen Zenith narrow line sliding glass door. We also offer a sliding glass door we call the Grand Line, and I'll explain the difference between the narrow and the grand as we go through this video. This door achieves an air infiltration as low as 0.13 CFMs per square foot and a DP of up to 60. We really spent a lot of time helping develop a really robust corner key. This corner key is what connects my mitered jamb to my mitered head. So inside where this corner key goes, gets 16 screws on all four corners of the door, which gives the door frame a really high amount of rigidity and prevents racking and twisting of your fiberglass frame. So right now, my door is in the locked position. My handle, which we call contemporary. I also have a second option for a handle, which we call the signature. When I turn the thumb turn, that's gonna be in the unlocked position. And then I'm going to effortlessly slide the operable panel towards the jamb. The smooth operation here is excellent. You'll notice that when the sash goes all the way to the end, it will stop just short of the jamb. There's a bumper in the top that prevents this sash from operating all the way to its jamb. Gasketing in this door, we have gasketing where the sash shuts over the frame right inside here. I also have a gasketed on the fiberglass weather strip carrier, and then another gasket at the interlock where the weather strip carrier meets to create a connection of the operable panel to its fixed. The reason why our door operates effortlessly is our ability to have a very robust roller. So we use a stainless steel roller that has carbon fiber wheels that will glide across the sash track like so. Behind these two screw cap covers are your adjustment locations. So when that cap is removed, I'm able to use a flathead or a Phillips head to raise or lower my door sash, not only to ensure proper operation, but to remove or install the operable panel. My door sill is fully insulated. Our jambs are insulated. Closer to the outside of the sill, this is where my screen track is going to glide. All of our doors will come with a screen. Thermal performance is just as important as air infiltration. We can achieve as low as a 0.16 U value on an Alpen narrow line or a Grand Line door. So our Zenith narrow line and Grand Line comes in multiple configurations. This is a 2-panel XO or OX door. All of our doors are gonna have multi-point lock strikes for enhanced security. Other than a 2-panel, we offer a 3-panel and a 4-panel door. My 3-panel is gonna have 1 vent with 2 fixed panels. On that 3-panel, my operable can be on the left, the center, or the right. On a 4-panel sliding glass narrow line or Grand Line door, my 2 middle panels will open towards their jamb and shut in the middle. The nature of the installation and the attachment method of this door to its rough opening is going to be a screw through the frame in the jambs. And that is our Alpen sliding glass narrow line or Grand Line door.
Thank you, Tyler. We hope this video has given you some good insight concerning the features and benefits of the Zenith sliding glass door. For more information on this series, as well as our other products, please visit our website at www.thinkalpen.com or call us at 303-834-3600 and let us help you elevate your next window and door project.